Description: a gentle everyday volume-boosting shampoo formulated with aromatic acacia honey extracts bodybuilding proteins. Benefits: perfect for everyday use, this shampoo restores flexibility, volume, and shine to your hair. Suggested use: emulsify product between your palms, apply to wet hair, add small amounts of water. Rinse thoroughly. Shampooing Miel. Gentle volumizing honey shampoo. In 1982, Leonor Greyl created the very first shampoo with honey. Looking for a gentle solution to everyday washing, Jean-Marie Greyl blended lavender honey and rose extracts for their gentle and protective properties with plant proteins for added volume and shine. Shampooing Miel, which was designed with the whole family in mind, now ranks as one of the brand's essentials. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful shampoo. I love this shampoo and started ordering it after reading about it in Harper's Bazaar.